Are you looking to buy a Redmi K50i 5G? Then you should definitely watch this video to the end, otherwise you will start hating this Redmi phone after buying. Hit the subscribe button to know about problems on any phone you want. Redmi K50i 5G is the most promising mid-range Xiaomi phone and is the first Redmi phone to come with 144Hz refresh rate in this price. The display on this phone is not AMOLED, maybe because of the fact that Xiaomi is trying to correct the mistakes which displays of Redmi Note 11 Pro series and Poco M4 Pro and X4 Pro phones had. I have already covered these AMOLED problems in many videos. Press the card at the end of this video to know more. Hardware-wise, Redmi K50i is a pretty good phone with Mediatek Dimensity 8100 5nm thickness CPU with Mali G610 MC6 GPU. UFS 3.1 supported internal storage would be enough for a good gaming test with games like PUBG, Call of Duty, Apex Legends, BGMI, etc. But I prefer Snapdragon 870 on iQOO Neo 6 and Poco F4 over this phone, which is simply a matter of taste. There is presence of Redmi K50i heating problem during gaming test as well as during charging test with the inbox 67W fast charger. The cameras on the phone also perform well, but the 64 megapixel main camera is capped at 4K at 30 FPS video recording. Redmi K50i 5G have many serious problems that everyone should know about. The first problem is screen flickering problem. Many people are facing this severe screen flickering problem on Redmi K50i 5G phones. This happens when using online video watching apps like Disney Hotstar, Netflix and even YouTube for some people. This flickering happens in different types for different people. These videos that were shared by different people will make everyone worry about buying Redmi K50i 5G. Our friend Haider Saidi had shared this video of the problem that he was facing and how he fixed it on his phone. He just manually updated his phone to MIUI 13.0.6 global version and that fixed the Redmi K50i screen flickering problem for him. As this new MIUI software update is not available in India during the time that I make this video, you will have to search like this, download the update package and install it manually as per the instructions in this website. Remember that I will not recommend you to do this unless you are ready to take the risk. So far by the information that we know, this flickering problem is a software issue and not a hardware problem. The second problem on Redmi K50i 5G is hanging problem. Redmi K50i 5G hangs during online video playback and even pressing the power button does not turn off the screen. This is one of the reasons why I prefer Snapdragon over Mediatek processors. The only solution for this hang problem is force stopping the phone by pressing and holding volume down button and power down button together till the phone shuts off. So far, these two problems are randomly happening on various Redmi K50i 5G phones, so remember to check your phone for these issues. Apart from the online video playback errors, which no other YouTube Redmi K50i 5G review talks about on, the gaming on the phone seems good and you will not be disappointed by the camera and the battery backup as well. If you have any doubts or want to ask anything, feel free to use the comment section. Thanks for liking this video and subscribing to my channel to join our smartphone user community. Watch this video to learn more about the AMOLED display problem on Xiaomi phones that I had earlier mentioned.